You no longer have any excuse not to start your online business because I'm going to share with you 5 simple ideas that you can start today under $500. No more excuses. Hello, Just Start gang. It's Shanique here from 𝚑𝚎𝚕𝚎.com, the home of the Just Start University, helping you, new and aspiring Christian online entrepreneurs, the tools to just start your business. So if you want to learn how to just start an online profitable business, even when no one knows who you are, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Instagram. I'm just gonna get right into the video. The first idea under $500 is to start up a drop shipping product-based website. And I specifically will suggest Printful. I use it for myself right now, and I simply sell mugs. It is a very free online website where they actually sell blank, oh my gosh, they have so many options: t-shirts, mugs, water bottles, backpacks, iPhone cases, Mac cases, leggings, sweatpants, all these blank items where you just upload a graphic and kind of make your own mock, and you literally sell it on your platform. You can integrate it with so many different websites, and it's so simple to set up. Honestly, anybody can do it, and there's so many tutorials online. The website Printful is free to start. However, you need to have some amount of money in your bank account, because as your customers purchase the item, they will charge you for the blanks. But because it's on demand, so they'll pay you the money first, they'll charge you, and then you'll still have your profit and the amount basically that the customer will have paid for the item, and you obviously will mark up because that's what business is about, to make a profit. So that's what you really need to have in your bank account to be able to support the funds of your customers buying the product. And honestly, $10, $12 for a domain. You can find a very affordable web host that supports online e-commerce, which you can find with under $60 a month. Honestly, and if you want, it's optional to pay for Canva or other graphic design platforms, which again, you can just use the Canva free version. That's how I make my graphics for my mugs. My mugs that you can actually order right now. Just start gang. You can do it. And so simple. Okay, you can start right now under $500 and start selling amazing designed products. Now, the second business under $500 that you can start right now is a consultant/coaching business, which I also have. So if you don't know about my Just Start University, then you missed the whole intro where I really explained what it was. But literally just web domain, website, boom, offer your services. You obviously have to have some kind of expertise, something that you know that a lot of people don't know how to do it, or most people just don't know how to do it. You don't have to be some genius. You just need to have some kind of knowledge that somebody else would want to learn. For example, I have a huge vast knowledge on Instagram growth, Instagram marketing, social media marketing. So I actually sell my expertise on Instagram audits. I consult businesses and how they can improve their Instagram engagement following to get more leads. I actually mentor new and aspiring Christian entrepreneurs how to start a business from the bottom up. Okay, so what do you have inside of you that you can teach people right now online? What do people always ask you for that you can actually be like, hold up, I actually charge for this service, so if you really want to know more about how to X, Y, and Z, then you can pay me and I'll give you all you need to know. So honestly, right now you can start that, make a website. You can optional pay for advertisement, which in my first couple of months of my business, I didn't. I had a few hacks to go around and find free marketing, and I'll show you more about that. If you join my Facebook group, Grow and Attract Guide, I share with you all my marketing tools, tips, and things like that. And you can also ask me questions there too. But for under $500, you can start your consulting and coaching business right now. And just like the support in my Just Start Instagram Grow and Attract Gang Facebook group, I go a step further in my Just Start University while I help you new and aspiring Christian online entrepreneurs to honestly start your business. And if you're confused, you don't know where to start, you have this amazing idea, but you're like, how do I find clients? How do I get my business out there? How do I even like market it? How do I pitch it? How do I price it? I need help. Then be sure to find out how I can help you if I Just Start University. You can book a free discovery call right now. You can just go down to the link in the description and you can find my website and the services that I provide you. I'm here to help. The third business idea under $500 is to sell a digital product. Also very, very, very low to start out because it's a digital product. The only thing you really need to pay for is, again, your domain, your website. If you want to optional pay for a graphic software, but again, Canva works perfectly fine. There's a free version that you could use. I still to this day use the free version, not gonna lie, and it works very well. You can use or rent equipment, like if you need a camera, if you want to sell stock photos and stuff like that, rent out a camera, very easy. Universities, colleges rent out their cameras. Find a friend who goes to the university or college and just rent out the camera. I did it. Very, very useful. You can start today, right now. Digital items like ebooks. Literally create an ebook on Canva, post it on Amazon, start marketing yourself. Again, you can give yourself a budget of $200 marketing and get yourself moving. All under $500, sis. Start today, just start. You can do this. Fourth, online business, under $500. Similar to the last one, but this is on a greater scale. You could charge a lot more money for this. Is an online course. So as you are coaching people, or you, again, you have the expertise, you have something that somebody wants to know or needs to know, or always ask about, that's what I meant. Then put it all in like a package and sell it online. Doesn't have to be super difficult. Again, Canva, you can make great programs that way. Record on your phone if there's actual video footage that you need. Use Google Drive to upload files, attachment worksheets. Very simple, easy to do, may take time, but it's still free. So go ahead and do that. And there's plenty of platforms where you can upload your service and upload your online course on. And then again, you can also have that as free marketing there as well. No excuse. Sell your online course, sell your expertise, sell the knowledge up there because you have it. Trust me, everyone has a gift within them, a talent within them, and you can make a business out of it. Hun, if you need help, I'm your girl. It's my website. I'll help you. Your next business under 500 online business idea that you can start today, right now, is a ghostwriter / copywriter. As blogging and online content creators just boom and flourish, there's going to be a huge need for people to write blogs, content, Instagram captions. And if they're anything like me and struggle with English as a first, second, or third language, then they're going to want to invest in somebody who can create amazing content, who can put their ideas together and write an ebook or make an online course. With your writing skills, again, all you need is an Instagram free account, Canva to create free graphics, low price domain, low price website host, all under $500. Optional advertising budget, optional logo made. Again, Canva, you could do that for free. Do we see what can go on here? Do you vision your business starting today? I do for you. All under $500. You can start your copywriter or ghostwriting business today. Just Start gang. Don't forget to don't feel overwhelmed and don't be confused, because I'm here to help you. Like I said throughout this whole video, I have my Just Start University at hand for you to serve you new and aspiring Christian online entrepreneurs to really boost up and level up your current business, or to guide you through the startup phases of your new aspiring business. I'm really driven to see you and as much women to just honestly take off, thrive in the marketplace, because I believe you can. And even when no one knows who you are, even when you have less than $500, you can start today and just hit me up. Join my Facebook group to learn how to grow and attract on Instagram as well. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because I post every Friday new videos for you. And as you wait for those new videos, you should check out these 2 videos if you want to grow as a new and aspiring Christian online entrepreneur. All right, Just Start gang, be sure to keep sharing the good news and keep up the great work. I'll see you in my next video.